Hi and welcome to a new video. Does your iPhone screen suddenly go black? Some of the potential causes of this black screen of death are battery drain, a corrupted operating system, or other hardware issues, just to name a few. In this video, I will show you how you can try to resolve this problem in 5 easy steps. Let's go. First solution is to charge your iPhone. Perhaps the problem is simply a discharged battery. When charging your iPhone, make sure to use an original or an MFI-certified USB Lightning cable. If you don't have one yet, follow the tag in the top right corner or check out the link in the description below. Charge your iPhone for at least an hour in case the device is completely drained. You can also try to force restart your device. This approach is very simple, but it frequently fixes any minor software glitches on your iPhone. For iPhone 8 or newer models, quickly press and release the volume up and volume down buttons respectively. Then press and hold the side button and release it when the Apple logo appears. If you're using an older iPhone model, you can refer at the tag in the top right corner or find the link to the Apple support page in the description below to know how to force restart your device properly. It might be possible that this problem occurs due to some outdated functions installed on your iPhone. If so, updating your device to the latest iOS version might resolve this problem easily. But since you can't open your iPhone, the easiest way to do this is to connect it to a computer. As I have mentioned earlier, use an original or an MFI-certified cable when you plug in your iPhone to ensure that there won't be any issues with the transfer of data. If you're either using a Windows PC or a Mac running on macOS Mojave or earlier, you can use iTunes to update your iPhone. For macOS Catalina or later, you may simply use the Finder application. After launching either of the two programs, locate your iPhone in the sidebar and click on the Check for Update button. Download and install the update if it is available. If your screen remains blacked out even after the update, then the next viable solution is to restore your iPhone. Click on the provided Restore iPhone button within iTunes or Finder, whichever you are using. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to restore your device. Take note that this may result in data loss, especially if you don't have a recent backup. Nevertheless, restoring your iPhone to its previous state should be able to fix this black screen issue if the problem was caused by the software. Another possible solution is to download and install an iOS repair tool on your computer to restore your iPhone without losing any data at all. For this, I recommend Tenershare's Reboot. With reboots, all recurring problems with your iPhone, such as this black screen of death, recovery mode loop, device stuck on Apple logo, and many more, can be easily resolved with a few simple clicks. However, please note that most of its features require a paid subscription. This software works both on Mac and Windows PC. You can click on the tag at the top right corner or find the link in the description below to download Reboot for free. Now, launch the program and plug in your iPhone into the computer. Next, click on Start, then on the Fix Now button. Choose Standard Repair and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. After the repair, your iPhone should reboot automatically and the problem should be resolved. Bear in mind that this method only works when your computer is able to establish a connection to your iPhone. Otherwise, the problem may be hardware-related. This is the most likely case, particularly if your iPhone blacks out shortly after being dropped or in any other instances where it might have sustained possible damages. If that is the case, the best course of action is to contact Apple support or, better yet, visit an authorized Apple service center nearest your location to ask for assistance regarding this issue. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.